So oftentimes we do a lot of our animation work for especially logos and things like that within Premiere Pro, and setting up the animations in Premiere Pro takes so much time, and we often get it right. It's just a painstaking, tedious little work that you have to do. It's not visually easy to accomplish. So you'll see most people, whenever they want to do any kind of custom animation, keyframing, they usually choose After Effects instead of staying within Premiere Pro. And that is because the entire process of keyframing and doing the animation and adjusting the curves is quite tedious within Premiere Pro. The controls are not intuitive, and the entire process it just takes too much time. So we made this keyframe smoother to make the entire process significantly easier for you, where let's say we have this logo that we want to have come in from underneath the screen, and we want to animate that, right? So I'll just create one position here and one keyframe right below where it's underneath. Now that we have this, I can just go here and I can choose between multiple different kinds of animation that preset here, or I can create a custom animation curve for myself that I can use. Here I can just customize the animation and the curve however I want it to, right? And once I'm done, I can save this preset with the name that I want, and I can reuse that for every single animation if I want to. I have the liberty to create as many as I want. It just makes the entire process much more faster, right? It just click and it's done. So I'm just going to use one of the presets that are available here. Let's say I'll use Big Bounce, and then I'll go for apply, and here as well I'm just going to add a couple of other keyframes as well. Let's say scale, and we're going to go here and put scale lower, and then here you can depending on the keyframes you've set up here, you can choose. I'm going to choose position and scale, and then once everything's set up, I'm just going to press Smooth Keyframes and it's done. And once I have everything set up here, I can just press Smooth Keyframes, and you see it created all those keyframes. I can go drop down and you can see the curves that it has created for me. And let's play this out and see how it looks. So yeah, you can adjust the timing and see what works for you, but it's pretty straightforward. And once you get the hang of it, you can create as many custom curves that you want and use them again and again for every single different animation.